Hello, friends. God bless you and welcome. This is a collaboration for the Fall CrockPot Palooza Collab, and this is hosted by Jessica Myrose and Small Town 6. And we come together once a month at the last Wednesday of the month to make a crock pot dish. And as you saw in the video, today's dish is some ribs. So guys, get ready to make this dish, some ribs for the holidays. Here, all I'm doing is removing the first layer, this layer off of the ribs, and said it helps to take it off so that the seasoning go through so the rib wouldn't be so tough and more manageable to season. So just try to take off that layer of skin. Now these are baby back ribs. And I bought this from my meat store. It was a pretty decent price. I think they're around $11 to $12. And then just try to clean as much and cut away as much fat as you can. So thank y'all so much for stopping in. And as you wash and clean your ribs afterwards, just take a paper towel to try to dry the excess water off the ribs, because we're going to do a seasoned rub on the ribs. And this rub is salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and mustard powder, and also smoked paprika. Now this will even come out so much tastier if you even marinate them. So just make sure that you're doing this in a crock pot, so you have to be a little heavy-handed with the season, because I realized that I could have just added just a little bit of more seasoning with it, but the barbecue sauce does help. I'm going to use Sweet Ray's barbecue sauce with this, and all I'm going to do is just add barbecue sauce as I add it in the crock pot, and each one I'll add the barbecue sauce, and that's it. There's 2 racks that came in the pack, so I'm going to take time to cut this second piece, because I'm going to put both of these in my crock pot. And just know, like I said, make sure you season it really, really good, because this is a crock pot, and a lot of times you have to add just a little more seasoning. I've seen some people who have done this add brown sugar in it, but I don't need the brown sugar because that's barbecue sauce got a little bit of sugar in it. So it's going to be well. It's like a hickory smoke flavor. And if you have that liquid smoke and you like that, you can also add that in your crock pot. And that's it. I just layered it and add a little sauce on each piece and add some sauce on the top. And I'm going to put this on low. It cooks from 7 to 8 hours, and the last 2 hours I'll put it on high to cut down some of the time of it because I don't want it to overcook that it falls off the bone. So make sure that you pay attention to it after 5 hours and make sure that you don't let it overcook. It's going to be nice and tender, but don't let it fall off the bone. So friends, here it is. It came out real great and it didn't fall apart. And that's what you want to make sure. Watch it, don't let it fall apart. So I put some more barbecue sauce on it and put it in the oven and let it caramelize. Put your oven on broil. And I'm just cutting it up and showing you it is tender. And friends, this honestly came out delicious, but I will be putting more barbecue sauce on mine. So everything came out well. So if you try this, just make sure that you do not let it overcook so it won't fall apart. Thank you, Miss Jessica, Myrose, and Small Town 6 for putting this together. And there will be a playlist, so please go watch what the other ladies is cooking up. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new today, I would love for you to subscribe, like, and please do leave a comment. Okay, guys, I'll see you on my next cooking video. God bless y'all and have a blessed, prosperous week. Bye-bye from Penny.